sports, reputations are fickle. One bad day and a player becomes the villain. Then one stirring performance and he's hailed as the hero. Few cricketers know this duality better than Mohammad Siraj. At Lords in the summer of 2025, Siraj's series appeared to hit rock bottom. In the second test, he was the last Indian wicket to fall bizarrely, shouldering arms to a harmless-looking ball, only to watch it dribble back onto his stumps. It was a moment of contrition for the pacer who wears his heart on his sleeves. But in the fifth test at the Oval, Siraj flipped the script. Running in with renewed fire, he tore through England's top order with a series-levelling fifer, rediscovering the zip and aggression that has made him India's spearhead. Every wicket felt like redemption, every roar a defiance of doubt. From a pantomime villain at Lords to a hero at the Oval. Siraj reminded the world that setbacks don't define careers, comebacks do.
पहले भी बोलता था कि हम we only believe in सिराज भाई। ये अगर ये मैच जिस तरीके से इसने एफर्ट डाला, ये मैच अगर हम हार भी जाते डेफिनेटली लो होते, बट द रिस्पेक्ट ही हैज़ इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम वो इसकी वजह से कम नहीं होती, बिकॉज ही इज़ अर्नड इट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ ईयर्स। एक मोमेंट कांट डिफाइन और आपकी रिस्पेक्ट उसकी वजह से कम नहीं होती है। ही इज़ वर्कड सो हार्ड for over a period of 4-5 years and he's earned that.
Because Siraj is Siraj. I think he's a fantastic bowler, there is no doubt about it. And people only talk about him that he doesn't give his 100% because he's not been consistent. That's the only reason. Otherwise, when I saw him for the first time, I said, wow, what a lovely run-up, lovely action, lovely follow-through. He's got everything.
Well, I think, Mohammad Siraj is a very lion-hearted bowler. Whenever captain throws a ball at him, he's ready to bowl. And he gives, his heart out, and he bowls with so much of passion, like, he wants to take, wicket every ball.
I think Siraj, absence of Bumrah, sometime, Siraj doing very well. He's bowling superbly, and I think if you see his intent, in the team, is too good,
मैं उसको स्टार्टिंग से देखता हूँ, तो स्टार्टिंग से ही मेरे को वो चैंपियन बॉलर लगता था, क्योंकि उसका जो एटीट्यूड है वो डिफरेंट है, तो इसीलिए मैं हमेशा उसको बेस्ट मानता हूँ।
Siraj did not have the luxury of professional cricket gear. He bowled barefoot or in simple slippers, often on uneven grounds, learning to make the most of what was available. Cricket shoes, for him, were a far-off aspiration, something only seen on TV or on the feet of established players. Yet, the absence of facilities did not weaken his ambition. If anything, it fueled a deeper hunger to succeed. But the start to the stellar career he's enjoying did not have an easy beginning. Born on March 13, 1994 in Hyderabad, Mohammad Siraj's childhood was marked by extreme financial hardship. His father drove an auto rickshaw, working long hours in the city's relentless heat, while his mother toiled as a housemaid to make ends meet. Cricket was an expensive dream for a family, barely managing daily expenses.
जी काफ़ी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं उन्होंने। उनके वालिद साहब जो ऑटो रिक्शा चलाते थे, उनके वालिद साहब का नाम मोहम्मद गौज़ है, लेकिन माशाल्लाह इतना स्ट्रगल करने के बावजूद भी उनके भैया मोहम्मद इस्माइल, उनके वालदा है, और मोहम्मद इस्माइल उनके बड़े भाई है, उन्होंने भी बहुत काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया है सिराज को। उनके वालिद साहब भी बहुत सपोर्ट करते थे। कभी उनके वालिद साहब रोकते नहीं थे कि क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए सिराज को, उनके वालदा थोड़ा पुकारते थे, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उनके वालिद साहब कभी नहीं रोके मोहम्मद सिराज को, हमेशा सपोर्टिव करते रहे।
उनका परफॉर्मेंस जो था, जैसा कि कोई भी बुलाए तो क्रिकेट खेलने चले जाना, कोई भी जो है सो उनको ऐसा ये नहीं था कि मेरे को आके लेके जाना, मेरे को जाके लेके जाना, नहीं। अलबत्ता उनके पास एक गाड़ी ऐसी भी थी जो सो उनकी गाड़ी में पेट्रोल तक नहीं रहता था, तो जो सो उनको दोस्त अहबाब जो भी दोस्त थे, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाह रहा हूँ, वो दोस्त उनकी हेल्प करे, तकरीबन दोस्त उनकी हेल्प करे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और रांझी सेलेक्ट हुए जब उन्होंने जो है सो तकरीबन गाड़ी का किक भी ख़राब था उनके, तो ढकल स्टार्ट करके सुबह 3-3:30 बजे रात को उन्होंने जो सो प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाते थे।
2015 की बात है ये। 2015 में जो है ना, जब मैं उनके पास मेरे पास में खेले उन्होंने, तो उन्होंने जो है ना मेरे को बोले कि जो है ना मैं नहीं खेल सकता हूँ। तो क्यों, उसके रीज़न क्या है आप नहीं खेलते बोले तो जो है ना इसकी वजह क्या है, तो जो है ना उन्होंने बोले कि जो है ना नहीं मैं को जो है ना, तो फिर मैं उनको बहुत फोर्स करके पूछा तो उन्होंने बोले कि जो है ना मैं इसके अखराजात अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता हूँ, जो यहाँ से ग्राउंड को जाने के लिए ख़र्चा लगता, और जो है ना अपने मेरे पास जूता नहीं है, ड्रेस नहीं है, मेरे पास में जो है ना प्रॉब्लम है, ये सब पता है। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे को बात समझ में आई, तो वो मैं जो है ना उनको हर मैच को जो है ना मैच से पहले जो है ना उनको मैं 1500 रुपये ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस के लिए नाम पे देता था। तो वो 1500 रुपये जो है ना उन्होंने पेट्रोल के लिए और ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए जो ना लंच के लिए उन्होंने जो ना यूज़ करते थे। तो वो पैसे और साथ में जो है ना शूज़ स्पाइक्स शूज़ जो है ना उनको चाहिए था, वो मैं दिलाया।
पहला बॉल में क्या नोटिस किया है?
पहला बॉल में एज अ कोच वो नोटिस, मतलब उसको जो प्रोफेशनली जो डाल रहा था, वो अगर अपन बहुत सारे बच्चों को अपन ट्रेन भी करें ना, ट्रेन करने के बाद भी वो नेचुरली ऐसा नहीं डालते। ही वॉज प्योर रॉ टैलेंट एंड प्योर नेचुरल।
If belief needed validation, Siraj's England series was the perfect proof. No longer the sidekick, but the showstopper, who became the foundation of India's pace attack. Across the grueling 5 tests, he bowled a staggering 185.3 overs to the tune of 1,113 deliveries, more than anyone else in the series, and delivered with unwavering intensity. His reward, the highest wicket tally with 23 dismissals, including critical breakthroughs in tense moments. It wasn't just endurance, it was a testament of faith in his body, his spirit, his craft, and unwavering patriotism towards the country he always dreamt of representing.
He's a character. He's always, but he's a warrior. You know, he's a real warrior. He's someone that you want on your team. He's that kind of character. He gives everything for India, and it's, you know, credit to him for that. The way he approaches cricket. You know, he's got this like fake angriness about him sometimes, which I can see straight through. You can tell he's actually a really nice lad. But you know, he tries it incredibly hard. He's a very skillful player, and you know, there's the reason why he's got the wickets he has is because one is work ethic and two is skill level. So yeah, I enjoy playing against him. He's always got a big smile on his face, and he'll give everything for his team. So I guess you couldn't want anything more of that as a fan watching, and a great example to any young player starting out.
उनका के बारे में सब बात करते हैं, वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट ये वो, पर सिराज के बारे में उतना नहीं बोलते कि वो बॉलिंग मशीन की तरह है। तो क्या लगता है थोड़ी उनके ऊपर भी थोड़ी चर्चा होनी चाहिए कि उनको वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट?
देखिए, चर्चा करने वाले आप लोग हैं, अगर आप लोग चर्चा करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। बट हाँ, जिस तरह से सिराज इतने साल से खेल रहे हैं, परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल बॉलिंग मशीन वाला काम कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक यस, ही शुड बी अप्रिशिएटेड मोर।
आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क हॉर्स है, एंड ही इज समवन हु गिव्स इट ऑल, सो यू कैन नेवर एवर क्रिटिसाइज हिम फॉर द लैक ऑफ एफर्ट। व्हेनेवर ही इज ऑन द फील्ड, ही गिव्स हिज 100%, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट makes him a little different from the rest, and he's getting the right kind of the appreciation and the celebration and the acknowledgement that he deserves. So wish him well, man. I really love the kid.
सिराज एक ऐसे बॉलर हैं जो मतलब दूसरों को रास्ता दिखाएंगे। दूसरों को रास्ता कैसे आप दिखाते हैं कि मैं पांचों के पांचों टेस्ट मैच खेल रहा हूँ। आई एम लाइक अ वर्क हाउस। ये नहीं है कि मुझे कोई रेस्ट की ज़रूरत है।
It's almost 187 overs in this series, but you play for the country, you give everything, don't think too much. You bowl your 6th over, you bowl your 9th over. I don't care. I believe myself, you bowl every ball for the country, not for myself. You play for the country, you give it everything, rest of the man. I'll enjoy.
Hyderabad has long produced champions who carry its names onto the global stage, against the backdrop of Charminar's arches and the city's bustling streets. Another son of Hyderabad, Mohammad Siraj, has emerged, not just as a cricketer, but as a symbol of the city's fighting spirit.
I think he's always been a very big heart bowler. You know, he gives everything on the field. You know, with him, I mean, effort is not the criteria, but I think he really 6 wickets in the first inning, and then an outstanding catch. You know, I mean, I love seeing, I mean, catches like that, and being a bowler after bowling such a spell and fielding close in and taking that catch, you know, I think it proves that he's a big team man.
Siraj from Hyderabad has done great service to Indian cricket. He has been the catalyst in picking up wickets as and when required. He's been the most aggressive and he means business.
I think it's really wonderful to see Hyderabadi do so well. I think fast bowling is a difficult art, and to actually have the fitness and the willpower to actually do this at the highest level is something which we are very happy about. Very proud of his achievement as a fellow Indian and a Hyderabadi, and wish him all the very best for the future.
At 31, Siraj is entering what many consider the peak years for a fast bowler. With major tournaments, overseas tours and World Test Championship cycles ahead, expectations are high. Consistency will be the key, maintaining fitness, adapting to different conditions, and adding new variations to his repertoire will determine how far he can climb in the list of India's great fast bowlers.